Hi, this week I want you to have a little look about how good we are actually being able to identify certain tastes and certain smells when we don't actually know what they are. So in order to do this experiment, you're going to have to choose somebody, a member of your household, in order to do this experiment on. Now, I will say at the beginning of this, be kind with what you choose, because it is going to be your choice as to what different smells and tastes that you use. Make sure that nobody's allergic to anything, and also, it'd be a bit unfair if you decided to put something that you knew that they were particularly foul to them, they really didn't like. So don't do that. Play fair with it. So, for example, I might choose my little pot, and for this one is my taste. I'm going to choose vinegar. So I just put a tiny bit of vinegar in there. I would then go and choose a member of my family and get in the end of a spoon. I'd ask them to close their eyes. Get a tiny drop on there, ask them to literally sit there and put their tongue out, like that, and drop the droplet of liquid on there. Wouldn't be telling them what it is though, their job is to try to identify it. There is a table of results for you to fill out on the website, so you can download that and you can add the different answers in the results that you get in there. Now once you've done that, get a different set of substances you want to test. And this time you do the same sort of things. You get your subject, you ask them to sit down, close their eyes, but this time with the pot that you've got whatever is in there. So I might have had something like mustard or something like that in there. You put it up to their nose and ask them to take a big sniff, and then identify what it is and write it down. Now for both the smelling one and the tasting one, you can't just try one, you need to do around about 6 to 10 different types of flavours and smells in order to get some good results with it. What you'll find is that sometimes some smells people can identify them straight away, but sometimes they're going to struggle. Don't tell them what the results are, not until you've done both the smelling experiment and the tasting experiment. You've got to do them, both of them, and then you can go back and you can say, let's see how many you got right. Okay? Have a go at that one.